Hello and welcome, dear subscriber. We're thrilled to have you on board and eager to help you make the most of your Dalal Street Investment Journal subscription. Today, I'll be guiding you through the simple steps to access your magazine on our website. Start by heading to our website, www.dsij.in. Once you're there, look for the login button. Your login information has been sent to the email address you provided during registration. Click on the login button. Now, once you're logged in, you will be able to see your name displayed in the right side corner. Click on your name, and you will get three options: My Account, My Profile, and Log Out. This will give you additional options to manage your account settings and profile information. Now that you are in your account dashboard, locate the Active Subscription section. Under this section, you should see Dalal Street Investment Journal listed. Click on the Enter button next to it to access your subscription. If you prefer downloading the magazine in PDF format, simply click on the red PDF icon. Once downloaded, it will ask you for a password. Your subscription number serves as the password. You can find your subscription number in the profile info on the same page. Copy and paste the password to access the magazine PDF. To read the magazine on the website, click on the blue link icon. Additionally, if you wish to download the data bank in Excel format, click on the green Excel option. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Remember, if you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. DSIJ again welcomes you on board. We wish you every success on your investment journey.